Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2 and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change these straps on your watch, first you will need to grab it, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each side of the watch next to the strap there is this button. And basically to remove the strap from your watch, the old ones, the ones that you want to replace, you need to press the button and then pull out the strap. This button sometimes it's a bit hard to press because it's kind of flushed with the case of the watch, so you need to use like a fingernail or something like that to push it in. Once you push it in, you can pull out the strap. Quite simple and quite quick. And here we have our straps and our watch. And let's say you get new straps and you want to attach them. It's also quite simple. You grab the strap, you grab the watch. As you can see here we have this hole on the watch and we have the pin right here on our strap. And we need to insert this pin like this, then push it in. Sometimes it might struggle, but once you push it in, it will click in like this. And once it clicks in, it will hold. Also quite simple as well. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.